Hey, you know that feeling when everything is perfectly tidy? Well, what if you could turn that knack for tidiness into a real thriving business? Because you totally can. Today, we're breaking down exactly how to launch and grow a successful cleaning business using some expert advice from our friends here at Mighty Sites. Let's get right into it. All right, here's our game plan. We're going to walk through 5 key stages. First, we'll lay the groundwork. Then we'll talk about creating a brand that people actually remember. After that, we'll build your online home, make sure loyal customers can find you, and finally, we'll cover how to turn those one-time jobs into loyal fans for life. All right, first things first. Before you even think about buying supplies, we've got to build a solid foundation. That is the all-important first step that takes your great idea and turns it into a real legitimate business that's actually ready to go. So you might be asking yourself, with all of this business ideas out there, why cleaning? What makes this such a golden opportunity right now? And how can you really stand out? Well, here's the secret sauce. It boils down to 2 things. The demand for cleaning services is huge and it's always there. And at the same time, you don't need a massive loan to get started. The combo of high demand and a low barrier to entry, that's the sweet spot for a new entrepreneur. Okay, so let's get practical. Here are the first 3 things you've got to do. Number 1, map out your plan. Who are you cleaning for? Busy families, small offices, get specific. Number 2, get all the legal stuff out of the way. Get it sorted. You've got to check for local permits, and please get small business insurance, create an LLC. It's not that expensive and it's a lifesaver if something goes wrong. And 3, buy good supplies. I know it's tempting to go cheap, but quality tools will let you work faster and do a better job, and they last way longer. Trust me. All right, the foundation is set. Now for the fun part. Make sure people actually remember you. You know, being a fantastic cleaner is one thing, but building a brand that people recognize and trust, that's what really takes you to the next level. This quote really hits the nail on the head. Your brand is so much more than just a logo. It's a whole vibe. It's that feeling of trust and professionalism a customer gets from the moment they see your website or your car pull up. It's an experience. And look, this is the real difference it makes. Without a brand, you're just another name on a long list. Pretty forgettable. But with a solid professional brand, suddenly you're the go-to choice. You're the one that's easy to find and even easier to recommend to a friend. So how do you actually build this brand? Think about it like a toolkit. You need a simple, friendly logo, maybe a catchy slogan. You definitely want consistent colors like clean blues and whites across everything. And this is huge. Your customer service is part of your brand. Being on time, being friendly, that's branding in action. All right, brand is locked in. Now it's time to build your single most important marketing tool, your website. Seriously, you should think of this as your digital storefront for your services, or better yet, your best salesperson who works 24/7 and never takes a vacation. And I think you probably want to do this cheap, which is where Mighty Sites comes in. It's only $9 a month for a simple, professional-looking, affordable website for any type of house cleaner or cleaning business. I'm going to put the link down below to the 7-day free trial. Doesn't hurt, try it out. It's probably going to be a good fit for you and super affordable when you're getting started. And let's be super clear about why a website is so critical. A website is not just a nice to have anymore. It's the #1 way you're going to get new customers. When someone hears about you, what's the first thing they're going to do? They're going to look you up online. Your website is where they'll decide if they're going to contact you or not. But just having a website isn't enough. To really turn those visitors into paying customers, it needs these key ingredients. It's got to have a clean layout, clearly show what you do, and this is a big one, build trust with things like customer reviews and maybe even some before and after photos. And to get this, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars on some custom coded site. The best part is that platforms like Mighty Sites make getting a totally professional looking website incredibly affordable. We're talking as little as $9 a month. So it's really a no-brainer. You've got this awesome brand and a great website, but how do people actually find it? That's the $1,000,000 question, right? We need to make sure that when local folks need a cleaner, you're the one they see. Just put yourself in the customer's shoes for a second. The in-laws are coming to visit, the house is a mess. What do? They pull out their phone and search house cleaning near me. You've got to be there in that exact moment. And there's almost always Google. The good news is getting found on Google isn't some kind of dark magic. It comes down to 3 simple things. First, claim your free Google business profile and fill everything out. Second, ask every single happy customer to leave you a review. That feedback is like online gold. And third, use the same words on your website that your customers are searching for. And when we say local keywords, don't let that intimidate you. It's literally just the stuff people are typing into Google. So if you sprinkle in phrases on your website like house cleaning service in Denver or eco-friendly cleaning in Seattle on your website, you're basically waving a big flag at Google saying, hey, I'm right here for customers in this area. All right, now we're on the home stretch. This is the final piece of the puzzle. Getting the first customer feels amazing, right? But the real magic, the key to a long-term business, is turning them into a forever customer. Let's dig into how you do that. What makes people stick around with a house cleaning business? Because it's not just one thing. It's a powerful combination. You absolutely need social proof, those glowing reviews to build that initial trust, but you probably need a great introductory deal to get them in the door. But the thing that makes them stay? Consistently great service every single time. And I want you to think about this. Every single job you do is a marketing opportunity. A fantastic cleaning doesn't just get you paid for the day, it earns you a potential 5-star review and a word-of-mouth referral that could honestly lead to your next 5 customers. And you can totally nudge this process along. Why not offer a little discount for a client's first cleaning to make it easy for them to say yes? And hey, set up a referral program. Reward your loyal customers with a nice bonus when they send a new client your way. It's a win-win for everybody. And so there you have it. That's the whole journey we just walked through. It's a really clear, actionable path that takes you from that first little spark of an idea all the way to building your foundation, creating a brand, launching a website, and finally winning that first loyal customer. So you've got the entire playbook now. You know all the steps from A to Z. The path is laid out in front of you. The only question left is, what's the first step you're going to take to make your new business shine? Thanks for joining us, and we'll catch you in the next video. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and stay tuned because we got a great video coming up about how to build your Mighty Sites website for your house cleaning business.